In this video, we are going to discuss how you can win a free pair of the Air Jordan 1 Dior's. Let's get it. Hey man, it's your boy CEasy, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, we will be going over the golden ticket box from SNKRFLEA. And no, this video is not sponsored. Even though I wish it was, it is not. So you guys will be getting like a real person's perspective on like what the box has entitled. I'm gonna give y'all my viewpoints on it, and I will also be letting you guys know if I actually went ahead and purchased the box to see, you know, if I could win some of the various items that they have. Because I know that, as we can all see, a lot of major content creators are doing like these mystery boxes, and SNKRFLEA, they're sending them a whole bunch of good items, and there's a lot of discussion about whether or not you even get anything good in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and be looking over the box. We're gonna go ahead and see what you're able to win. Because essentially, we see all these big time YouTubers, they're getting these amazing items. I feel like a lot of people feel like, well, in reality, the regular person is not gonna be able to get a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. First, we're gonna take a look at their Instagram, and then we're gonna take a look at the actual box. Okay, but without further ado, and waste no more time, let's get started. All right. So if you guys don't know how this section goes, I'm about to pull out my laptop. All right. So right now, everything should be full screen, and we are on IG, on the SNKRFLEA page and whatnot. And essentially, as you can see right here in the freaking bio, right, it says right here, it says Dior X Jordan 1s for $100 and basically $30. That does not seem real. These shoes are going for like close to $10,000. Some pairs are going for $14,000. They're going for a crazy amount. And the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and do is just kind of take a look at their page. So as of right now, it seems like they got some pretty legit shoes. They got a pretty large base. But what is all of this stuff actually about? Okay, so let's go ahead and read what this description has. Okay, so info, mystery box will be a very limited release. Okay, so before I go and finish reading this, I do want to say this is my second time actually seeing them. The first time that I saw them from Harrison Noble's page, and it was various YouTubers, like YouTubers that do mystery boxes. They all basically got the box, and they were talking about like gold tickets, and they were getting all these crazy items and whatnot. And that was the first time that it caught my eyes, and I was gonna go and purchase it, but funds were tight, and I was like, should I really? And I was like, I don't really know. Came around the second time, and I'm just like, you know what? This one kind of caught my attention. Okay, so we're gonna get back to it. And so, mystery box will be a very limited release on August 13th at 3 p.m. NYC time through a special link on our website for $130. Okay, so each and every single one of these boxes are gonna contain the anti-social shirts. You can get 2, or you can get 2 Bathing Ape shirts, or you can get 2 Supreme shirts, or you can get 2 Astroworld shirts, or you can get one or 2 V-Long tees, depending on the price or combination of the mentioned brands. So if you guys know me, bro, just that alone kind of got my attention. You already know I kind of do graphic tees, and I just like, they kind of said all brands that I like. Besides Anti-Social Club, I really haven't gotten into their stuff. I peeped it like years ago. I would always see it at like Paxson, but I never really wanted it because everybody kind of had access to it. So I was like, hey, it's not exclusive enough for me. So, that being said, as of right now, just based off of just hearing that, for $130, I mean, if you get 2 Bape shirts and they both going for like $100 or like $80, you got your money. I don't really know what the anti-social shirts are going for, but I know if you get baked tees, you should be good. Supreme, it could be hit or miss. Astroworld, cash out on that easy. And then the V-Long. The V-Long, I mean, they vary. That's the thing. Like, most V-Long shirts, you should be able to like get for a good amount. I mainly get the V-Long shirts from like from artists because, you know, it's more affordable and whatnot. Okay, now let's see what else they have. They said, or a combination of the mentioned brands. So these are like the 5 or 6 brands or whatever that they have that you can go ahead and choose. And so the total box value is going to be between $130 to $200 depending on the items. Now this doesn't make a lot of sense to me. So essentially they're saying that they're either selling these boxes at a loss or it's right at the even value, and they can only be doing that for one of two reasons. The main reason why I think they will do that is to bring more traction to their page and their store, because if they do that, they can then essentially just bring up, like, it's kind of like a free way of advertising. It's like you give the people what they want, and in return it kind of helps legitimize your company, and therefore people are going to feel more entitled to go ahead and shop with you. That could be a strategy, or it could just be a marketing strategy just to simply bring more eyes onto them. But that's how it goes. And then it says, depending on items, we release 20 to 24 golden tickets for every 90 boxes. So essentially, you got based off of what they're saying, for every 100 boxes, you have either a 20 to 25% chance to win an additional item. So based off what they're saying, you have a very good chance of winning another item. Like, they're saying that the chances of you getting something are fairly good. So I ain't gonna lie, for a normal person, this just seems like it's just like music to my ears. Like, this is a definite go ahead and just based off of this. But let's see if there's anything else. And they said customers can pick their shirt size, and we offer limited worldwide shipping. Randomly selected boxes will have golden tickets for Supreme, Nike, Yeezys, Sean Weatherspoon, Air Maxes, Apple iPads, and Jordan 1 Dior. And then it says customers can purchase as many boxes as they would like. Please film yourself opening your mystery box so we can post reaction videos if you get a golden ticket, and tag 2 friends below to be entered to win a free box. So essentially, just reading this little post, I'm not gonna lie, it's music to like your ears, but I still feel like there maybe is something underneath, you know what I mean, all of this. There has to be something bigger to where, why would they go ahead and give you such an amazing deal, okay? That's what I'm trying to find out, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at this next post. Looks like they're just going ahead and they're just reminding us that there is the drop coming soon. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. And then as we can see, this is a giveaway that they're going to go ahead and potentially go ahead and give away a pair of the off-white Jordan 4s. If you guys did not check out that video, I did a review about how you could cop them. Obviously, the time has passed. Majority of people did not cop them. But here looks like a chance for you guys to go ahead and win. It's a great marketing tactic. You go ahead, follow them. Somebody's gonna win these shoes. It's like marketing 101 is essentially what I'm getting from this. So just from the page, I don't really see nothing sketchy. They got about 200,000 followers. They got a decent amount of people engaging with them. SNKRFLEA clothing store. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the actual box. As you can take a look right now, we're on the SNKRFLEA website. As you can see, the name of the box is Dior Air Jordan 1 mystery box. Like, they're just like throwing it to you every single chance that they get. $130, and these are just pictures to basically make sure that they're legit. I mean, I don't have any doubt, like, if you win, I'm pretty sure these are legit. It would, like, I'm like, you're good. You can go ahead and legit check them if you want, but I'm pretty sure they're good. On SNKRFLEA, they seem to have a very good name, and they have big time creators supporting what they do. So I don't really feel like there's going to be a lot of sketchiness in winning this. There's a $130 mystery box. Over here, you can select your size. They have anywhere from small all the way to extra large, and you can potentially buy up however many boxes that you want. So imagine if you had enough money to buy 99 boxes, you should be guaranteed 20 to 24 golden tickets. But it's kind of funny. That is something I want to do. Like, just go ahead and buy it out and actually see if they were actually right on their words. Okay, so as we can see, they have a few things about the orders. Essentially, if you order this box, you're not going to receive it for probably 2 months, because as you can see, the orders will not start to ship until next month on the 23rd through 26th, basically meaning that it can take an additional, I guess, 3 weeks before you even receive it, which freaking sucks, because, like, I know everybody wants to, like, get their items, see if they won pretty fast, but they have a pretty long wait time. And now, this is what's guaranteed inside the box as we're going. So, V-Loan, this is what confused me from the original post to this one. So it says you can win 2 antisocial shirts or ASS C t-shirts, or 2 Bathing Ape t-shirts, or 2 Supreme t-shirts, or 2 Travis Scott, or a combination of that. And then, as we can see right over here, it says B-Long t-shirts will go in random boxes. But on the first post, it said that you can win up to 2 or 1 or a combo. Right here is just saying that it looks like it will be an additional thing that they will throw into various boxes, which I'm kind of confused about that. And then they tell you t-shirts range from $65 to $200. Not all style items will have the tags. Value of the box. Okay, and the value is based off of their in-store prices, and then they randomly select which box. So you don't really know. That's where the mystery comes in, of course. Okay, now for the most important thing is this information right over here. And it said, select boxes will have golden tickets for. So this is like literally kind of like what I can say that you're actually paying for. Like, if you're spending money on this box, you're spending money because you want to have the opportunity to win this golden ticket. And based off of what they're saying, you have a 20 to 25% chance on winning. Okay, I don't know how factual that is. This is based off of everything that I've seen thus far. So we have the Dior Air Jordan 1. So it's 1 ticket max. And something else that I also, okay, yeah, it says right over here. I'll go ahead and touch that. Okay, so we have the Dior Air Jordan 1. We got 1 ticket, so 1 person is going to win that. We have the Nike SB Chunky Dunky, 1 ticket max. We have the Off-White Air Force 1 MCA, it's 1 ticket. And then we have the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards, 1 ticket max. So apparently, based off right here, it says for every 99 boxes sold, they're going to be adding additional 20 golden tickets. But the basically the ones that say 1 ticket max will not be repeated. So for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 of these items, they will not be re-upping, and essentially it's just because they will be losing a lot of money if they kept adding more and more. Like, it just wouldn't make any sense. Okay, then we have the Witherspoons. We have the Travis Scott Air Force 1 sale. If you guys not know, I literally made a video talking about these. If you want to know, they are literally right over here. The sales. These are actually a fire pair of shoes. Like, if I were to win these, because these aren't in my size, these are my girl size. If I were to get these, I'll be ecstatic. I'd actually be so happy because I do want to go ahead and add these to my collection, but they are going for a lot right now. And then we have the Jordan 1 satin. Yeezy sneakers is probably going to vary, maybe depending on what you want. There's Supreme box logo t-shirts, that's fire, and then Off-White clothing and accessories. So essentially, and if you get a golden ticket for any single one of these, I feel like you should be happy because each and every single one of these items are like, they're fire. They're all fire. Okay, so now let's discuss a few things. Now, for the most important thing is, did I go ahead and buy the SNKRFLEA box? And do I think that it is worth the money? Do I think it's legit? Do I think it's a scam? So first, I did go ahead and purchase the box. I felt like it'll be I feel like it'll be a cool opportunity, considering that I missed out on a box of heat. So I think for me, it's a good purchase because then I can go ahead and actually test these questions that I know that not only I have, but potentially that you guys have. It's like, for the regular person, is it legit? Like, will you actually be able to get something? Will you only get a few shirts? So can you win a golden ticket? And I actually want to go ahead and figure out those same things. So I went ahead and purchased the box. However, I do feel like there's a high chance that it will be worth the money just because of the fact that I went ahead, I got the box in the size large. You know, I like all my shirts in large and whatnot. Obviously, got the Astro World TV on right now. I'm just hoping that I do not get pieces that I already have. If I do, I will go ahead and sell them. And I'm hoping that maybe I can go ahead and get a golden ticket, but we will go ahead and see. But from the looks of it, I do think that it is going to be worth the money just because of the fact that if you're getting 2 of those shirts, as long as, you know, knocking on wood, that I don't just get the anti-social club shirts, anything else I'll basically be happy with. And even if I do get those, if they have like some cool, nice designs, I mean, I guess it would be cool to go ahead and add that into my collection. But if you guys enjoyed this video thus far, I need you guys to go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe because we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And I got 2 questions for you guys. 1, do you think it's legit? And 2, did you cop a box? Because you guys, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe because we're about to go ahead and find out if all of this is really legit. What is it like for just a regular person going ahead and copying these boxes? And just stay tuned with the channel. Make sure you know what happens next. But anyways, it's your boy CEasy, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and 0 and that tonight. I got AK with the scores and 9. Undercover.